Hi everyone! Welcome to at Kids Painting TV. Today we're going to draw a super cute panda face. It's Po from Kung Fu Panda. Let's get started. Step 1. First draw a big circle in the center of your page. This will be Po's face. Make it nice and round. Step 2. Let's draw the right eye. Start by drawing a small black filled circle for the eyeball. Draw a larger open circle around it. Then draw ovals around both circles to create the dark spot around the eye. Pandas are famous for these. Step 3. Now do the same for the left eye. A small black filled circle in the middle, a larger circle around it. Then draw a large oval to create the dark spot around the left eye as well. Great! Now Pooh looks super cute. Step 4. In the middle of the face, draw a nose. Draw a small line from the nose down to connect it to the mouth. Step 5. It's time to draw a smile. Create a nice, wide, curved line under the nose. Step 6. Now let's draw Pooh's ears. One round ear on each side of the head. Big and dark, just like a real panda. Step 7. Let's color it. The spots around the eyes, ears, and nose will be black. The face will remain white, and the eyes will remain bright, so they will jump. And that's it! You've drawn Pooh the panda. Doesn't he look adorable? Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing with us, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Kids Painting TV. See you next time for more interesting design lessons. Bye!